Hi guys! So nagbabalik na naman nga kami for another kainan here from Travel to Bicol. And right now, nandito tayo sa Family Kitchenette, established since 1968. And as my first impression to this place ay ang lakas niyang mala, Filipino-style fine dining. And they say that they serve the best chicken and ribs here in Legazpi City. So kaya naman, whether you're alone or third wheeling or with your family, ay kayang-kaya kayo dito dahil may enjoy nyo siyang pagkain together with its air-conditioned place. So yun na nga, hindi na kami ng paligoy-ligoy pa at ito, kumain na kami at ang una kong kinain nga guys ay yung kanilang spare ribs. At sa aking pagmuya, ayun inamoy-amoy ko pa at dinisplay ko pa. But as I chew the meat, hay nako, napaka-less hassle niyang kagatin dahil napakalambot ng karne niya. And here we have ang kanilang fried chicken na talagang napaka-crispy niya to the point na talagang in-slide-slide ko pa yung knife. And again, the food is hot. And take note guys ha, this food that we're actually eating is actually good for one person. And hindi ka na malulugi dahil dalawang karne na yan ha, with soup pa, na talagang mapapawinid na po ang tiyan mo sa sobrang kabusugan mo. And yes, the meal is crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside. And aside nga, sa lamon ng lamon kami, ay syempre tetaranahan namin to ng drinks with their blue lemonade and cucumber juice na sobrang sakto lang yung lasa at hindi nakakaumay dahil hindi siya ganong katamis. And aside that you can actually dine here in their restaurant, ay nag-o-offer din sila ng mga services nila for any special occasions, whether birthdays, anniversaries, or even date, pwede nyong gawin niya sa Family Kitchenette located in Bonot, Legazpi City. Or you can even visit their Facebook page, Family Kitchenette, for more inquiries. And once again, this is Travel to Bicol signing off.
Ready to embark on your next journey?